Good afternoon, Nebraska. I'm meteorologist Kit Cloninger here with a quick update on the weather. We have recently, in the last 20 minutes or so, been issued a blizzard warning for the Tri-Cities area. So taking a look at that, this includes Hall County, Adams County, and Buffalo County, but also Kearney, Adams, as I mentioned, Clay, Fillmore, York, and Polk counties, and Hamilton counties across central Nebraska. Now, elsewhere in the state, across eastern Nebraska, we continue with the severe thunderstorm or severe winter storm warning, across eastern Nebraska, including the Lincoln area, and winter storm warning, winter weather advisory out towards our west. So taking a look at some of the conditions out here, we've seen the snow continuing to fall over the last couple of hours this morning, plus the winds. We'll look at the winds in a moment. Zooming in here on the Tri-Cities, though, we're on sort of the back edge of a heavier snow pocket here right in the Adams County area. It's starting to let up just south of Hall County, but all this extra snow moving into parts of Clay County and down towards Nuckolls County is going to worsen the conditions over the next couple of hours. Notice there's not much snow behind it. It should improve a little bit, but the winds are still going to be blowing the snow that's already on the ground. For our eastern viewers across Butler County, Saunders County, we see some of the snow still falling across that area, picking up for the Lincoln area as well. Take a look at some of these wind gusts. These are the last reported wind gusts, 60-mile-per-hour winds in Grand Island. That's severe level threshold for a severe thunderstorm, but very fast winds there at the airport in Grand Island. 48 miles per hour recorded in Hastings, 48 as well in Smith Center. Many of these places are seeing the blizzard conditions worsen because of the ground that's already had that snow today, and that's going to continue this afternoon. As we look at some of the road conditions around the area, a wide portion of northeastern Nebraska is under the travel not advised category from Nebraska 511. Looking here in the Tri-Cities area, Highway 30 from Grand Island to Kearney is deemed impassable. It is not recommended that you drive on this. Some of these roads have not yet updated, but we've heard on the scanners that Highway 6 in Hastings, just south of Hastings through Adams County into Clay County, is also probably going to be upgraded to impassable as these blizzard conditions are seeing visibilities under a quarter of a mile. And the thing is, with these visibilities, you're going to be seeing pretty clear conditions, and then a gust comes through and it knocks your visibility down to where you basically can't see past your hood. Once again, we have this blizzard warning around the Tri-Cities area. This is going to be until 6 o'clock this evening. We're going to continue to monitor this here at Local 4 and bring you updates throughout the afternoon. For now, stay safe.